Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform a phone setup on OPPO A3 Pro. So firstly you have to tap on this arrow button, and now you have to select your language, then click next. Now you have to select your region and then click continue, and here you have to click next. Now you can connect to mobile network, or you can click next. And here you can set up using another device, or you can click skip. Now you have to connect to Wi-Fi, so select your network and then enter password. And now you have to click next. And now you have to click on don't copy. And here you can sign in into your Google account, or you can click skip, then click skip again. Now click on more and accept. Now you have to choose your browser and search engine, and here you can select your browser and then click set as default. And now you can select your search engine and then click on set as default. Here you can set up your unlock method, or you can click skip and then click later. Now you can install all of these apps, or you can uncheck this checkbox and click OK. Now click next. And here you can set your font size, or click continue. And now you can choose your navigation method and then click next. Now click get started. And as you can see, my setup is done, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.